Managing benefits for remote employees can be tricky, especially when you're scaling your team internationally. But with Oyster, it's made simple. If you're looking for a straightforward, streamlined way to manage employee benefits across borders, this guide will give you the tools you need to hit the ground running. First, let's dive into what Oyster actually offers. It's a global employment platform that lets companies hire, onboard, and manage remote employees anywhere in the world, completely hassle-free. One of the standout features of Oyster is its ability to handle employee benefits seamlessly, regardless of where your team members are based. The process starts by setting up your employees in Oyster's system, which automatically handles the legal and tax complexities of hiring remote workers in various countries. Once they're set up, managing their benefits becomes a breeze. You can access a range of benefits options, such as health insurance, paid time off, retirement plans, and more, which are all compliant with local laws and regulations. What makes the system really powerful is that Oyster integrates local knowledge into its platform. This means you can offer benefits that are tailored to specific countries, ensuring compliance and meeting the needs of your remote team. For example, an employee based in Canada will have different benefits options than one in Germany, and Oyster takes care of those details so you don't have to. Now you might be wondering how Oyster makes it easy to manage all these benefits in one place. The platform gives you full visibility into each employee's benefits package, allowing you to make adjustments as needed. Whether it's updating a plan or adding a new benefit, Oyster simplifies the process with a few clicks. But that's not all. The software allows for quick and efficient communication with employees about their benefits. You can easily share updates, reminders, and even access detailed reports. Whether you have one remote employee or 50, you'll have all the information you need to make data-driven decisions. Another key aspect is Oyster's flexibility. You can customize benefits packages based on the needs of your company and your employees. This flexibility is vital for creating a competitive advantage in today's remote-first world. Plus, the platform allows for a high level of transparency, which helps build trust with your remote employees, knowing exactly what they are entitled to and how they can access their benefits. If you're interested in using Oyster, you can get started today for free. By using the first link in the description below, you'll gain access to an exclusive bonus offer, including a special extended trial. This is a limited time opportunity to explore all of Oyster's features without the commitment. To wrap up, managing benefits for remote employees doesn't need to be complicated. Oyster makes it easy to stay compliant, offer competitive benefits, and ensure your remote team is supported wherever they are in the world. Don't miss out on this exclusive chance to explore Oyster with our extended free trial offer.